This is a TIPM, or Totally Integrated Power Module, used in 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wranglers. They may also be found in 2011 to 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokees, as well as in 2007 to 2012 Jeep Liberties. Many owners deal with various issues related to this module, so today we're talking about the common symptoms of a failed TIPM and showing you the best way to get your vehicle back up and running properly. The most common symptoms of a failed TIPM include issues with the fuel pump, power door locks, windshield wipers, wiper fluid, backup lights, and horn. Failure of the TIPM can result in one or multiple of these issues at the same time, but usually the first indication of a failing TIPM is related to the fuel pump. If one or more symptoms activate spontaneously, like wipers turning on without input from the vehicle operator, it may signal a separate underlying issue. Unfortunately, sourcing the correct replacement part can sometimes prove to be a difficult task. These TIPMs can be very expensive, hard to find, and used parts can be a gamble as they're either already faulty or close to the end of their life. Some companies sell various fuel pump relay bypass solutions to fix any fuel pump issues. However, this is really just a temporary patch for a more significant issue, failing relays inside the TIPM. At Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture TIPMs for a fraction of the price of a new one. This rebuild targets the root cause of the failures. We address all known failure points of the module to ensure full functionality and protect against any future issues by fixing failures before they occur. Each unit is fully tested before it leaves our facility. All Jeep TIPMs that we cover are available as a repair service. You simply purchase the repair on our website and ship your module to us. We rebuild it in one business day and ship it back to you. In addition, we also offer certain years of the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK TIPMs as an exchange service. You simply provide your VIN, place your order, and we'll ship out a fully remanufactured TIPM the same day that your order is placed. We don't charge you for a core up front, so once you receive your TIPM, just place your old module in the box and ship it back to us. No programming will be required, and your TIPM will be backed by our 1-year warranty. If you're ready to get your Jeep back on the road, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.